Flippin' Peppers! Peppers! Flippin' Peppers! It's bag day! Might be the last time that any of these puppies see each other, though. And, no, we got so many of them leaving today. They're all in on it now. Gimme bag, gimme bag. No, it's my bag, guys. Give me bag. Oh, little Peppers. She's fixing to leave any minute now. She's got to go all the way to Midland, though, to her loved ones, though. And then Lucy right there, she's leaving in around 11 after I get back to my doctor, back doctor, or however you say that, chiropractor. They just having an hour. Let's see you, little Abby. Why ain't you over there playing the bag game, little Abby? Oh, look at these two. Chris's and Zoe's boy. I think that's... Little Lucy got her a piece of that bag over there. Her brother got a piece of that bag. And even little Bun got a piece of that bag. My baby dad. No! Oh, brothers! Hey, your piece is bigger than mine. Give me, Lucy says. Brother said, give me that piece of bag. Lucy said, no, brother. No! My bag, I won, brother, I won. Look at Lucy go. Brother don't know what to think about that. And they sat down and take their prizes. Oh, little honey bun. I didn't get no piece of bag. Anybody say, I'll get that piece of bag yet. Yeah, mine. Aww. Little Chris's and Abby. Little Chris's little dark golden puppy and Abby having a last little fling. Look at this big double red paw boy. I got the bag. I'm the king. King of the bag days. Chris said, I just want the big bag now. We all got pea bags. No, yours is bigger than mine. I can just see y'all when you bring home your groceries in a white bag. You better watch out for your little poopy. Oh, so sweet, guys. God, that's all I've been doing is taking care of puppies for probably 2 months now. And I actually do everything before the mothers even have puppies, though. Though I give them Hoggins every day and twice a day, though. And my Hoggins is every bit of the dry dog food they eat mixed in with a puppy canned food, though. That way they get everything they eat plus a big old puppy canned food, though. Though I really spoil the crap out of the mothers, though. Lucy said, my bag again. I play bag. You can't catch me. I got bag. She just ran off with that bag. Hey, little Peppers. Lucy. You didn't have to run over there by yourself, Lucy. Oh, look at Lucy come. I'll come over here with you. Oh, Lucy. Lucy's leaving at 11, and so is her brother going to be leaving about 11 o'clock, too. Abby says, you don't take nothing from me. I'll get you. I will get you. Yes, I will. I'm a tough little puppy. Yeah, honey bun says, I'm a tough little puppy with a mohawk and a honey bun. Very special. Oh. Boy, Lucy's just full of it this morning. She must know she's going home. She came up to me a few days ago and looked me right dead in the eye and wanted me to tell her what happened to her brothers and sisters she's been playing with, though. Yo, Peppers. Yeah, Peppers. I ain't heard nothing from your guy. You're home. It means a lot to me, though, knowing these little puppies have loved ones to go home to, though. It's what makes it all worthwhile, though. They just plumb full of that good puppy love, though. Look at Lucy. Lucy, you're a card girl. Oh, quit biting me, little pooper. They're in a rared up mood right now, though. Hey, big boy. Hey, pooper. Poopin' pooper. I'm trying to avoid feeding them until this little girl right here, Abby's little light golden girl. The girl goes home now because she's got a 4-hour drive to make. I think it'd be better for her 4-hour drive to not have a lot of food in her tummy, though. Sometimes puppies get motion sickness, though. So, what you doing, bud? Didn't give her no petting, you red collar. These puppies are just wound up this morning. Even Honey Bun sowing his oats. Yeah, well, she gonna go home. I don't know where Bag went. I won Bag Day, though. Yeah, me. Hey, little red collar pooper. Yes, you're going home too today, puppy. Lord. Lord only knows what happened. Look at little Abby go. Little Abby's girl go. She done ran off. Hey, Abby girl. Pooper. Poopin' pooper. Look at little Abby's girl. She's curious what's up there, though. Says something's up there. I know. I smell it, dog food. Puppies. Look at little Abby's girl. Abby girl. Usually we have food, and I got no food. Abby girl. Yeah. Chunky little girl now. Aw, puppy. You are terrorizing me. Look at that little pooper, so. Lord knows. Look at little Abby's girl go. Abby girl. Pooper. Come on, little pooper. Come on, sweetie. I didn't know, man. I just playing, throwing my oats this morning. Oh, too, little pooper. Aw, it's the sweetest, prettiest she can be. I wish I quit turning off the radio, though. Aw, we'll miss you, little darling. I'm sure we'll miss my little Abby girl. Yeah, little Bella's girl. Hey, Chris's pooper giving his big brother a biting, though. Hey, you a week older, but I can still bite you just as good as you bite me. Nah. Oh, look at him. See, I was just playing, big boy. I'll go over and bite Monkey, okay? Look at you, Abby girl. I'll bite you, Honey Bun. I'll bite you, Honey Bun. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Okay, how about you, Lucy? How about you, little Lucy girl? God, man, it's just the whole life surrounds the mothers before they even have the puppies, and then these puppies, every day, though, it's hours spent with these puppies, though, you know, and all of a sudden, I guess I get empty nest syndrome, like when my kids left home. Oh, look at the little Honey Bun. Little Honey Bun, I'll just go bite it. Okay, guys. Abby fell down. Don't think her butt. Get a Honey Bun. I'll come back, you big stuffed puppy. I'm tough. Tougher than you are, anyway. Lucy's trying to understand why that music's coming out of that. Lucy, I want to see what that is. Okay, guys, I thought I made the last video, but since I had these puppies before they go home today, though, I figured I'd give her one more video, though, just for my own sake, though. Little Abby girl. I miss that little girl. She's always so full of love, girl. Love ya, Papa. Love you, little Pepper. Even love little honey bun. There's Chris's little boy. He called yesterday. He actually texted me yesterday. He's gonna go home. This little puppy's going home to Lawton, Oklahoma. He's gonna be Oklahoma pooper. Okay, guys. They finally calmed down after hours of playing. Y'all have a mighty great day, guys.